Hello, hello everyone. I'm the prosecutor.
And this is the judge.
I'm the Snow White.
I'm the evil queen.
I am the defensive lawyer.
And the court is now decision for case number 123, Snow White versus Evil Queen. The charge are attempted murder and illegal use of dark magic. Are you ready to proceed?
The kingdom is ready, Your Honor.
The defense is ready, Your Honor.
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, today we will prove that the defendant, Evil Queen, attempted to murder Princess Snow White through multiple premeditated attempts. The following evidence will show the partner or jealous, abuse of power, and murderous intent.
Oh, please. Your Honor, esteemed members of the jury, my client, the Queen, were just trying to keep her freedom in order. She had a stepdaughter, who just got in trouble.
Princess Snow White, please tell a court about your life in castle.
At first, after my father died, things were tolerable. But as I grew older, the queen became increasingly cruel. She forced me to work as a scullery maid, dressed in rags, sleeping among the cinders. Still, I remained hopeful, singing to the birds who were only my friends.
Oh, these dreadful songs, day and night, shipping with worm.
Evil Queen, one more option and you will be held in contempt.
Please continue, Princess. What happened next?
One day, the huntsman took me into the forest. He raised his knife, but then confessed the queen had ordered him to cut out my heart. He warned me to run away and never return. I fled deep into the woods.
If I was right. Wait. Okay. Miss White, if they don't mind if I drop the princess title, do you? After all, you have been living quite commonly.
Objection, argumentative.
Sustained. Watch your tongue, concealer.
Miss White, isn't it true you entered those 7 men's home without permission?
Well, yes, but
And you began cooking and cleaning with their consent?
they were happy to have me.
So you admit to breaking and entering and essentially imposing yourself on those men?
Objection, the victim's living arrangements are not on trial here.
Sustained. Move along, concealer.
The kingdom called the magic mirror to stand.
Truth is my essence, my very being. I can speak nothing but truth.
Mirror, please tell the court about Queen's daily question to you.
Each day she would ask, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" For years I answered that she was, but when Snow White came of age, truth compelled me to name her as the fairest.
That mirror is my property. Its magic belongs to me.
Okay. Oh wait. Okay. Order in this court. Evil Queen, this is your final warning.
Finally, some reason in this proceeding.
Your Majesty, please explain your relationship with Snow White.
As her stepmother, I only wanted what was best for her. I gave her meaningful work to build character. The apple? A peaceful offering, nothing more. How was I to know her had such sensitive constitution?
And the witch disguise, the poison corn, the title lenses.
Fashion statements, nothing more.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the evidence is overwhelming. Multiple murder attempts, dark magic, abuse of power, and clear pattern of jealous rage. The Queen's actions show premeditation and malice. Justice demands a guilty verdict.
Where's the apple now? No physical evidence. Just sounds from drops, mirrors, and woodland creatures. This is a family member that had been grossly exaggerated. We ask for acquittal.
I only wanted a mother's love, a family.
Love? Huh, that throne was mine. Beauty is power, and I would not be dethroned by a shrimping child.
heard all testimony and evidence presented, and this court finds the defendant, Evil Queen, guilty on all counts. Internal banishment from the kingdom, surrendered of all magical items, and community service. Washing 7 dorm socks for 100 years.
No! Not the sweaty socks. Anything but that. No!
Justice is served as sweet as apple pie, though I forgive you, stepmother, for hatred only poisons that hurt that holds it.
This isn't over, Snow White. Mark my words.
Court is adjourned. Right.